Jaguar XKR repair quotes. Jaguar is the luxury vehicle brand of Jaguar Land Rover, a British multinational car manufacturer with its headquarters in Whitley, Coventry, England. The 2015 Jaguar XKR is a high-performance version of the Jaguar XK, offering a more powerful engine and enhanced features compared to the standard XK model. As with the XKR was also discontinued after the 2015 model year. Here are the key features of the 2015 Jaguar XKR. Servicing your Jaguar XKR is crucial for maintaining its performance, reliability, and overall condition. Here are some general guidelines for servicing your Jaguar XKR. Regular maintenance schedule. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule outlined in the Jaguar XKR Owner's Manual. This schedule includes regular inspections, fluid changes, and other routine maintenance tasks. Oil changes. Change the engine oil and oil filter at the recommended intervals. This is essential for the proper lubrication of the engine components. Brake system service. Regularly inspect and service the brake system, including checking brake pads, rotors, and fluid levels. Replace brake components as needed. Transmission service. Follow the recommended transmission service intervals, including fluid changes. This helps ensure smooth gear shifts and prolongs the life of the transmission. Cooling system maintenance. Check and replace the coolant as recommended. Ensure that the radiator and cooling system are functioning properly to prevent overheating. Tire maintenance. Rotate the tires regularly to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure and alignment. Replace tires when the tread is worn. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter at regular intervals to maintain optimal engine performance. Fuel system cleaning. Consider periodic fuel system cleaning to remove deposits and improve fuel efficiency. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs at the recommended intervals to ensure efficient combustion and maintain engine performance. Suspension and steering components. Regularly inspect and replace suspension and steering components as needed for a smooth and controlled ride. Battery inspection. Inspect the battery for corrosion and check its overall health. Replace the battery if necessary. Exhaust system inspection. Regularly inspect the exhaust system for leaks or damage. Electrical system check. Check the electrical system, including lights, signals, and other electronic components. Replace bulbs as needed. Software updates. Keep the vehicle's software up to date by checking for and installing any available updates from Jaguar. Warranty inspections. Take advantage of any warranty inspections or services offered by Jaguar to address potential issues covered under warranty. It's important to note that the specific maintenance needs of your Jaguar XKR may vary based on factors such as the model year and driving conditions. For precise information, refer to the owner's manual and consult with Jaguar service professionals. Regular servicing by authorized Jaguar technicians is recommended to ensure that the work is performed to the manufacturer's standards.